Hey guys, welcome back to Inertia Hill Raceway Season 2, and we're going to open it up big. That's right, it's going to be pick your anniversary set. That's right, which anniversary set you think will win here at Inertia Hill Raceway? Will it be the 50th anniversary, or will it be the 51st anniversary, or will it be the 52nd anniversary? So get your picks in and we will have this race done. So have your picks in no later than Friday. And the winner that wins will have to challenge the Chase Camaro. That's right. And there you go. If you think the Chase Camaro will take out all of those cars, then leave your comments below as well. So you guys take care, and we'll have this race done real soon. So have your votes in by Friday. All right, guys. Love, peace, and hair grease.
Midwest, go.